This next question is about the PE ratio. In reality, the analysts sometimes will combine the dividend discount model and the PE ratio valuation. This question, besides the dividend, we also are giving the payout ratio 25%. PE ratio at constant growth rate is 10. We asked to estimate the current price under this situation. We know the after year of the constant model, we can use this PE ratio 15. And we are giving the payout ratio is 25. The payout ratio should be the dividend divided by the earnings. That means of 25% of the earnings will pay out as the dividend. The dividend we know in year 10 is 11.78 divided by the payout ratio 25%, we can get year 10 earnings. The dividend divided by earnings is the payout ratio. If we use the dividend divided the payout ratio, we can also get the earnings. Use the PE ratio and year 10 earnings, we can get the estimated year 10 price should be the PE ratio times the earnings per share is $706.8. These are the formulas for the PE ratio method. Include this estimation of year 10. We can estimate the stock price today. We can also apply the NPV. The last step is the same. We used the discount rate 11%, select the dividends 1 to 9, and for the last year, we add the dividends 10 plus the price 10. The price today should be $297.71. If we compare the price we use the PE method and the price using dividend discount model is quite different. Last question, we asked to check how sensitive is the current stock price to the PE ratio. We can also apply the data table function here. We link to the stock price we just calculated. It's the formula 74. And then we select the two column. We go to data table. Because the PE ratios in column, we select the column input cell and we select the original PE ratio we used, D61. After we click OK, we can find the relation between the stock price and the PE ratio. Higher the PE ratio, we can expect a higher stock price.